Cheers to Friday! Finally.
Life's coffee. Well, coffee is life.
So we've just picked up our coffee.
And Renee got us some snacks.
Yep, I got us some snacks. I'll show you what we got. Keto peanut butter cups.
And I'm like, haven't tried them before, so.
No, I haven't either. So we'll do
Oh,
a
you
little
haven't?
we'll do a
Oh,
little
cool.
taste test. We got 2 peanut butter cups. And I got some soft vegan candy. Free from gelatin. That's what we want.
Nice.
So we got some of these to snack on as well.
A girl's gotta have some sort of chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Right?
I think Kerrie's car is only made for large coffees. Not surprised. Mine's literally sinking. Like, look at it. My ears are popping. Going up this mountain.
Sorry, might be driving a bit far. Oops, speed camera.
Speed camera.
Morning, ladies! I feel like we might need to go ride.
You feel like you were meant to go that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah.
Doing a U-turn. Woohoo!
Oh.
You done your coffee?
Done. Done and
I'm
dusted.
almost done. That's sad. Sad story. It's all done
I need to get my hair done again shortly, so just ignore this. What's going on up here?
We've been in isolation.
By so life.
I also need my eyelashes done. Yep. I need to see you, Michelle, if you're watching this. By the way, if you hear us saying Xena, we're referring to the car.
She's a princess warrior.
We love Xena, such a comfortable car. We were saying how we woke up and the weather was absolutely stunning. And now,
Now look.
what would you say about the weather now, Kerrie?
It's dull. It's cooler. There's not an inch of the sun at all. It's very grey. How cool are tunnels?
Yes. Please be toilets. No toilets. Is that toilets? Oh, yeah, thank you. Woohoo. Toilets.
This is so 1985.
I can see the toilets from under the...
Toilets. Yes. Oh, goodness gracious. Are you excited?
So excited.
Oh, it's really dark in here. There's no lock on this too.
Hello.
It's pretty clean. Go Tindenbar. It's kind of cute. It's like a little house.
It is like a little house. Wash your hands.
Oh, there's no soap.
Oh, I have a fun fact. We're on Friday Hut Road, which takes us down to Killen Falls. And do you know who used to own a house on here? Crocodile Dundee. His house used to be down here. Don't tell me you don't know who Crocodile Dundee is. Paul Hogan.
My last name.
Oh yeah, related to you by any chance? Clearly not.
Whoa. How cool is this?
I just don't think the camera's doing it any justice. Look it up. It's
Turn right up ahead. Turn right.
It even
here.
says,
Killen Falls.
look at this tiny little road. We might have this one to ourselves. Oh shit.
Yeah. Ooh.
Sounds like a rainforest.
Okay, let's go.
We're here.
Look at the muddy path.
Oh, the sun's coming out.
Check it out. Here comes the sun. It's really beautiful.
Watch the puddles.
You wait, I can't wait to the end of this. You're gonna see these shoes? See these shoes?
No, I don't want them to be all dirty again. Oh no.
Oh.
god, this is really muddy.
So we just spoke to some backpackers when we got here. He warned us about how muddy it was and said, don't wear your shoes, but don't wear your thongs.
Look at this big muddy pile.
Run through it. Go on, run. The air is so fresh here. Smell it.
Oh my goodness.
I can hear the waterfall.
Me too.
Woohoo.
That rock looks slippery.
Wait, there's more.
Oh no.
We definitely need a backpack.
Tip, maybe bring a backpack. Chuck these on, it's getting a bit glary. Let's go. We're gonna go to the base of the waterfall. Yes. I got a rainbow on my shirt.
Oh.
A greenie right here.
But look how beautiful it is. Wow, that's a big tree. We're going down.
Down
No, I'm fine. We need a backpack.
Good idea. We need a backpack.
Might find this a bit of a hustle. Not everyone can walk over
I'll show
a
you.
mountain of rocks.
I'll show you. By the mountain of rocks.
Look, everyone's bathing in the waterfall.
We made it to the waterfall. Oh, it's freezing.
Someone made a suggestion that you should wear your thongs in here because the rocks are really sharp. Okay, we're gonna go get food now because hungry. And you know what?
Hangry.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh. Don't you just love this?
Stop being obvious.
Yep. That's the perfect shot.
I need food. Let's go get food. Bye.
Bye.
Sock.
If that was me, I would have fallen over by now and I would have been in here swimming around with the goldfish. Bloody mozzie. Go away. It's a bloody mozzie. Look at that. Oh. Sorry.
That's how you put shoes on with clean feet.
So my option of thongs I feel were the best option because at least I can just flick them off when I feel like I can't quite
You
get...
just saw the mission I had to get through.
Yeah,
and back on after having dirty feet. The tip, bring some like air guard because there's a few mozzies. Let's get up this mountain. Go. We made it. Yay! That was a workout. Let's go eat. Remember when we went to the toilet at the Oval? Because we thought there was no toilets, but there is. That's so annoying.
Oh well. Just so you know, there are toilets at Killen Falls. Wherever we go, we take our picnic rug because
Perfect to sit on.
wet seat.
Beautiful. Finally, we get food. Should we try the dark one first?
Let's go dark.
Okay.
Oh my
This is what it looks
god,
like.
we've got one each. Excuse me, I'm coming in.
It's hard.
That is delicious.
It's not very sweet. You can taste
It's,
the peanut butter.
Definitely peanut powdery.
I like that.
Oh my god. I definitely eat this again.
Yeah, that's good.
Highly recommend these. I know it's keto, but those that are on keto will enjoy it.
If you're used to sweet chocolate, it's not sweet. We're not used to sweet chocolate, so this
true.
tastes good for us.
Yeah.
So we've moved into the car because there's too many mozzies out there. We are going to continue with our snack trying. Yes.
I really want to try this.
I'm so keen. Vegan lollies?
I haven't eaten
Yeah.
lollies in years.
Oh, you smell that? Yum. Do you know what they look like? Jelly bears. That's the
Jelly
one.
bears.
Oh my god. They taste like cordial. How soft are they?
Oh my god. They taste like something that's good for you.
Texture's like eating a slice or something. Like it's not chewy like a lolly.
I feel like I need to replenish after that hiking up that rock. While Renee eats the lollies, I've discovered these words.
Believe in love at first sight, or should I drive by again?
We're gonna go for lunch now. I found somewhere, pretty sure Renee hasn't been there. So we're gonna go there now and we're gonna go check it out. It may not be open, so let's go.
Is that a cop? Are you sure? What's on his lights? That's a cop. That's a cop. He's probably... Yep. Newrybar Historic Village, settled in 1881.
Fresh garden.
Where?
Come here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's so lush.
Sit down. Harvest Gardens. That's really neat writing. Oh my god, are they bees? What? I don't want to get bitten. They look like flying ants. We got a salad from the garden. Time to sit down. To be honest, we just paid for like a $12.50 pumpkin.
That. That's good.
Salad was $12.50. What do you think about that, Kerrie?
It only felt like it had 3 ingredients, so you do kind of feel nourished by it. All the ingredients have come straight out of that garden over there. Yeah.
Done.
Gate crashing birthday!
Crazy.
Oh.
You're not allowed to let in there anymore.
Oh, you're not allowed in. God, if we were in the UK, we'd be all over the place, wouldn't we?
All over Europe, they just go anywhere.
I love that.
Kerrie, what's your coffee dance?
Large almond trays. Oh, cheers. Oh, well done, you. Well done. Yum. Very nice. Friday afternoon.
We are ending our adventure with a beautiful lookout.
Such a nice way to end such a fun day.
Thanks for watching!
Thank you.